In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable emoji in Zoom. If you want people in your Zoom meetings to react with emojis, this setting is simple to turn on once you know where to look. Enabling it can make meetings feel more interactive and engaging, especially when participants want to respond quickly without interrupting the speaker. This is useful in team meetings, online classes, webinars, and any session where quick visual feedback helps communication. To get started, open Zoom and go to your account area. From there, click on My Account. This will take you to the web-based settings page, where Zoom gives you access to more detailed meeting controls than what you usually see in the desktop app. Once you're in your account, click on Settings. This is where Zoom organizes the different features you can control for your meetings, including audio, video, chat, reactions, and participant permissions. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. Zoom settings are grouped into sections, so the next step is important. In the Settings menu, click on Meeting. This section contains all the controls related to how your meetings behave before and during a call. It's where you can manage participant interaction tools and other meeting experience options. After that, go to In-Meeting Basic. This area includes some of the most commonly used meeting permissions and simple interactive features. Take a moment here to scan the available options, because this is where Zoom places settings that affect what participants can do during a live meeting. Now look for the option labeled Allow Participants to Use Emoji. When you find it, click on the circle to enable it. Once this is turned on, participants in your Zoom meetings will be able to use emoji reactions, making it easier for them to express feedback in real time. If the option appears grayed out or you're unable to change it, it may be restricted by an admin setting, especially if you're using a work, school, or organization-managed Zoom account. In that case, you may need the account owner or administrator to enable it for you. And that's it. Once this setting is enabled, your meeting participants can start using emojis during Zoom sessions, which can help create smoother and more interactive communication. If you're managing meetings regularly, it's a good idea to review other in-meeting settings as well so you can customize the experience exactly the way you want.